Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll show you how to switch accounts on AliExpress. So the only option will be logging out of your AliExpress account and signing into your another account. So let's go to account at the bottom right, and in the top right corner tap gear icon, and here in the settings you want to scroll to the very bottom and press this button sign out and confirm that you really want to sign out of your account. And let's go back to account, and I need to press this sign in or register button, and I want to tap this switch account button at the bottom and basically decide what exactly you will use to sign into your another AliExpress account. So it could be email or phone number. Then tap continue, or you can use simply quick access by using Google, Apple, Facebook or X. For example, let it be Google. I need to select my account, tap continue, and boom, I'm signed into my another AliExpress account. So that's how I can switch accounts on AliExpress. I hope this video helps you, and if so, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content just like this.